the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like a ceiling can.
What is up YouTube, this is Franktacticool, and today I'm going to be doing a basic field strip on a Diamondback 380. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and make sure it is cleared. And we can do that by pulling slide back and making sure there's nothing down the barrel. It is absolutely clear. Next step, we'll go ahead and do the takedown. So the takedown is fairly easy. It has the same takedown as the Glock, as any Glock. We'll go ahead and push the slide back a little bit and push the takedown levers down and push on the trigger. Now go ahead and release the slide. Now that we have the slide completely taken apart, we'll go ahead and push pressure on the spring, get that removed, and as well pull out the barrel. Now that it's completely disassembled, I'll go ahead and take my Ezox and go ahead and put it right here where the trigger mechanism and play with it a little bit. And just get it on some of the places where the metal meets metal. Make sure there's nothing jam in there. And I play with it a little bit just so you can get it all in there. I'll go ahead and take this and go ahead and put it to the side and let it soak. Now that we have the slide, the spring, and the barrel, I'll go ahead and get started on the barrel. And what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of Ezox and let that sit for a second, as well as the spring. And I'll go ahead and let that sit. And I'll go ahead and take the slide and as well put a little bit of Ezox on it. And I'm going to take my barrel and I'm going to go ahead and run this nylon brush through it about 2 or 3 times. And a cotton patch, and run a cotton patch through it. And I'll go ahead and repeat that as well. I'll go ahead and take the spring and give it a wipe down as well. As you can tell, it was a little dirty there. Give it a wipe down to the barrel. And now for the slide, I'm going to go ahead and take my toothbrush and make sure I get all the innards here. And in between the slide where metal meets metal, go ahead and make sure there's nothing in those grooves. the outside. On the rear sides and on the forward side. Around there's always a little bit of buildup. Perfect. Now that I got that completely done, I'll go ahead and give it a simple wipe down. And I always use these cotton napkins. I like them because they don't release any fibers or anything. I've been using them for a long time and I never had a problem with them. Okay. Now we're completely done with these guys. I'm going to go ahead and put them aside. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to our lower. I'll take my toothbrush and get started. To get all the dust out. I usually pocket carry this guy and have probably like over 150 rounds through it. I like to give it a clean behind the trigger. That's what a lot of the lint build up and stuff builds up there. And a little brush down. Get all the fingerprints off. All the smudges. And I'll work where the slide meets down here as well. Sometimes there's a little buildup and it makes it hard to pull back, or just feels kind of grimy or sticky or something, and you just want a clean, smooth action. So I think I got that pretty good. I'll go ahead and give it a wipe down. Okay, perfect. We are done with this. Let's go ahead and get it back together. Now the first thing we do, we go ahead and take our slide and put our barrel back in and get our spring and put it back the way we found it. Put pressure, make sure it goes all the way in and all the way down. Go ahead and take our slide and slide it all the way back, and you're done. Now we'll go ahead and do a couple tests. Everything running smooth. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.